Hey guys, my name is Freedom. I just published a CC3 Jesus Christ for your Character Creator 3 and Character Creator 4. This is a 3D model for your iClone and Character Creator. Just have a look. This is the Character Creator 3 and this is Jesus Christ. I already do everything for you, included the sand halo and also the costume. And of course, it is compatible with the Character Creator 4 as well. So this is a CC3 Plus character. You can edit it by using the Character Creator 3 and also Character Creator 4. You can send it to your iClone 7. You can export it as iAvatar. And you can just use it to create any of the 3D animations that are related to religious or biblical. So you can just scroll down, go to my video description. I already put the download link there. It is redirecting you to the Reallusion marketplace. You can get it for free. Just add to your trial downloads with the watermark, or you can just add to your cart by using 500 DA points. You can use it in your 3D animations to render any of the video. And if you want to send it to your game, then you can choose the extended license. You can send it to your game to make it become a game avatar, etc. It is really useful for you. Right, that's all for today about my sharing of the CC3 Plus Jesus Christ for your Character Creator 3 and Character Creator 4. You can download the trial. You can get the content license with 500 DA points. You can get the extended license by using 1500 DA points. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing. See you.